Tracking your net worth is crucial for understanding your financial big picture, and PocketGuard makes this process seamless and straightforward. The foundation of the net worth tracker is account aggregation. PocketGuard securely links to all your different financial institutions. That means your checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, loans, investments, and even real estate values. By having all these balances in one place, the app can calculate your total assets and total liabilities automatically. Net worth, as you know, is simply your assets minus your liabilities. PocketGuard pulls these numbers continuously, often syncing multiple times a day, so your net worth calculation is always up to date. This real-time data is presented in a dedicated net worth section, usually with a clear chart that visualizes your progress over time. You'll see a snapshot of your current net worth, and the historical tracking allows you to monitor trends, celebrate positive growth, and identify when you need to focus on reducing debt. If you have assets like certain collectibles or other valuables that can't be automatically linked, PocketGuard also provides the option to manually add those assets to ensure your calculation is truly comprehensive. Ultimately, PocketGuard handles net worth tracking by centralizing all your financial data, running the simple but powerful calculation of assets minus liabilities, and then providing a visual, historical record of your financial journey. It's an essential tool for seeing beyond the monthly budget and towards your long-term financial goals.